Hi, my name is Olajide Olagunju, and I'm the author of the book, How to Resolve a Conflict, which I'd like to share with you on the screen now. Yes, How to Resolve a Conflict. And this is the textbook for the lecture series you've just joined, the How to Resolve a Conflict lecture series. It's a daily lecture series, and today is How to Resolve a Conflict lecture 73. Welcome. Please subscribe to the channel. Just press the red button that says subscribe on your screen, and endeavor to see if you could get a copy of the book to assist you with the lecture. It's available on all Amazon outlets. The title again is How to Resolve a Conflict. What we'll do today is, as usual, look at the book, read, and then have a discussion. We are currently in chapter 10, which is the last chapter in the book, and the title of chapter 10 is The 7 Secrets of Effective Conflict Resolution. You would recall, if you've been with us in the last couple of lectures that we've done, looked at secret number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and we're now in secret number 5, which is the foundation for effective conflict resolution. The foundation for effective conflict resolution. And inside the foundation, there are 5 pillars. That's why it's the pentagon. 5. We've looked at this, the first pillar or first cornerstone, which is the gathering, in which we learned how the mediator gathers the parties to himself so that he or she can hear them, and in hearing them can hear their unmet needs, which is fueling the conflict. Today, we move on to the second pillar or second cornerstone, which is hearing the story. I read and then we'll have a discussion. I read. Here, although the emphasis is on the story, meaning that you are taking everything being said by the present speaker as the whole story. It is, in fact, only one of the parties, say the complainant, that is speaking. So why do you take his story as the story when you are yet to hear the other party? It is because when you take his story as the story, you achieve 2 things. One, it affects your body language, which is crucial to hearing or to getting people to talk. When you take his story as the story, you would instinctively appear to the speaker as if you have given him all your attention. That gives him or her a sense of importance that makes him feel it is worth his while to speak to you, to say it all to you, even if he had never spoken to anyone before. Secondly, when the parties are in conflict, each one has a problem to resolve. Conflict resolution is actually the resolution of the problem of each individual party to the conflict. So you should see yourself as actually solving 2 problems in one. First, the problem of one party, and second, the problem of the other party. It is in fully hearing each particular party that you are able to understand his problem and help him move towards solving them. So you are right to hear his story or her story as the story. And since you will do the same for both sides, neither side loses anything by your giving each of them your full attention. And you can only humanly do this by taking each party's story as the story. Otherwise, you would be instinctively biased in your listening. And when you are biased in your listening, you cannot fully hear the party. And when you don't fully hear the party, you cannot help him solve his or her problem. And if you don't help them solve their problem, you cannot be said to have helped resolve the conflict. You would have failed as a mediator. So what are we seeing here? The second pillar or second cornerstone of the Pentagon framework. We're saying it is hearing the story. But the interesting thing is that the only one party is speaking here. So why do we call it the story? Because you want to appear to the party talking that you are giving them the fullest attention, because you take their story as the full story. So it's a psychological approach, because as I read earlier on, when they perceive you as taking their story as the story, like the full story, then they open up, because they see you as giving them all your attention, as taking what they are saying as of utmost importance to you. As I said in one earlier lecture, when I listen to you as a party, I listen to you as if my whole life depends on what you are saying. That's when I listen to you as a mediator. When I'm listening to you, when I'm acting, when I'm playing the role of a mediator, when I'm mediating, and you are a party and you are speaking to me, I listen to you as if my life depends on you. I take your story as this story. And I know that affects you, because that makes you open up to me. Like I said, one of yesterday, respect begets respect. When I treat you the way I just described, it shows utmost respect for you. And you reciprocate by respecting me back. And you show respect for me by opening up to me as fully as you can. Why do I need you to open up to me? I mentioned it earlier on. Because when you open up fully to me, I understand what your met needs are, which are fueling your conflict. So that's the cornerstone. Hearing this story. And it is predicated on gathering. When I've gathered you in my heart, because I can only fully hear you in my heart. When you are speaking to me, you are speaking in my heart. So when I'm hearing your story as this story, you speak fully to me. Permit me to stop here for today. Tomorrow we go to the third cornerstone, which is hearing the story. And when we get there, we'll discuss what it is to hear the story. Please endeavor to subscribe to this channel and see if you have any comments, post them. If you have learned anything, I believe that every time, every day, there's some new skill that you should learn, that you are learning. Apply them to your life and to your life situation, your family, your relationships, your business. If you're in government, your government, to improve the lives of people. Because when we have these skills, we're able to understand what the problems are, what the issues are, and be able to work towards providing for them. Thanks again, and see you tomorrow in lecture 74.